Hi guys, and welcome back to my garden. Well, it's a bit of a rough day today. We've been hit by 3 storms in, I think it's less than a week, and this one today is Storm Franklin. It's not doing me any favours. Let me have a little walk around the garden, I'll show you what's going on. Keeps coming in like sort of gusts, you know. There's the old bamboo up there, black bamboo. That's swaying quite a bit, but it's quite safe. It's getting quite big now as well. Anyway, let's have a walk up here. You can see I've got a tree fern all wrapped up there, and just here, really close, a couple of banana stems wrapped up, keeping the frost off. It's tipped over the table. Oh, it's starting to rain now as well. Table's tipped over. Chair's blown about. The palm tree in a pot there blown over, and I've got a sail over the koi carp pond there. That's got some rips in it, rips and tears, so that's going to have to be replaced. This is probably worst little bit of damage in my garden because I've got an agave plant here, a really old one, and it's such a shame. I've got it wrapped up for the winter, and it was on that wall on those legs, and the wind, believe it or not, has blown it right off. I mean, it's so heavy too. There's a pond. Pond's got a lot of debris in it, blown off the trees I suppose, and the pond level is really, really high. That's because we've had so much rain. Daffodils is just starting to come out, look, got little heads on, so they'll be alright. Anyway, if we walk on up the garden a bit, little snowdrops coming out, look, little heads poking up. Gonna have to walk around this. Big heavy chair there, that's blown over. We had some guys come in a couple of weeks ago, and they've lowered a tree. Probably I'll have to show you from the other side because the sun's shining, but it was a very big tree, but too big for this garden really. God, it's cold today as well, bitterly cold wind. There's our view from over the back. If I walk round here, I've been busy up here. I've started to cut all these brambles back in the field because it's spoiling our view. Oh, it's got such a lovely view. But yeah, we were losing our view. So just down there is where I keep all the compost, which rots down, and then have a nice compost heap, and I'll bring the nice soil back into the garden, put it around the plants. Anyway, let's take a walk back down. Oh, you might be able to see the tree from up here actually. There it is. It was really high, but like I say, much too high for this garden, much too big. Everything's blown around really roughly today, really bad. If I look over here, this is quite interesting. This old cactus has been in the garden for years. Frost, snow, you can throw anything at it, doesn't mind. What it does mind is slugs. They nibble little holes in it. And look at this is February, look, got a flower on it. Isn't that amazing? It's not the best looking plant, but anyway, that's it for today guys. I've got to go in, I'm getting soaking wet here. Thanks Storm Franklin. Done a bit of damage in my garden, but I suppose, you know, a lot of people get a lot worse, don't they, really? Take care out there, and don't forget, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, of course, and I'll keep you posted on what's going on. Oh, look at that bamboo going now. Hey. Oh, they're so blowy. Plane going over, that's probably getting blown about as well. Well, there you go. See you later. Bye.